Hey there, foodies and sustainability enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of homegrown food. A simple yet powerful practice that benefits not only our health, but also the planet and our local communities. Stick around as we explore the many reasons why growing your own food could be one of the best decisions you make this year. So, why should you consider growing your own food? For starters, it's a great way to save money. Seeds are inexpensive, and with a little care, they can provide you with a bounty of fresh produce. Plus, you have the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's going into your body. When you grow your own food, you control the process, no hidden chemicals, no mystery origins. You can choose organic practices and tailor your meals to fit your dietary needs. And speaking of meals, growing your own food opens the door to endless culinary possibilities. You'll experiment with new flavors and ingredients you might not find at the store. Ever tried fresh-picked kale or heirloom tomatoes? The taste is on another level, and you'll quickly realize that homegrown food just tastes better. Another major benefit is sustainability. By growing your own food, you reduce the demand for mass-produced crops, which cuts down on carbon emissions from food transportation. The average meal in the U.S. travels about 500 miles before reaching your plate. Imagine the impact if more people grew their food locally. Plus, home gardening encourages biodiversity and can help conserve water. If you use efficient irrigation techniques, every small step counts in reducing our environmental impact. If you have kids, gardening is also a fantastic way to teach them about sustainability. It's a fun, hands-on way for them to learn where food really comes from, not the supermarket, but the earth itself. And trust me, kids are much more likely to eat veggies they've helped grow. Growing food also fosters community connections. Whether you're swapping veggies with neighbors or supporting local farmers markets, you're contributing to a more resilient, self-reliant community. This local exchange reduces competition for global resources and supports local economies. A win-win for everyone. Let's not forget the mental health benefits. Gardening is therapeutic. Spending time outdoors, working with your hands, and watching something grow from seed to harvest can be a grounding, meditative experience. It's a great way to disconnect from the daily grind and reconnect with nature. So there you have it. Growing your own food is about more than just saving money. It's about taking control of your health, making sustainable choices, teaching future generations the value of the earth, and fostering stronger, more self-sufficient communities. Thanks for joining us today on this journey towards self-sustenance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy gardening!